Good morning. Sealer coat on the Scottish flag here. First sealer coats it'll get. Seal this way so that we can get some good. Make sure the seal's good on it. We'll stick it together. This keeps it a bit longer. Keeps it better. Keeps it better for longer. A wee bit. So they say. Pretty cool. I'm gonna get a Lamborghini, get it wrapped in the Scottish flag. It'll be cool looking. I've seen one before. I want one. Pretty cool. I've got a picture of it somewhere. Scottish wrapped Lamborghini. Be a bit chilly here this morning in Texas, but it should be warming up a little bit. Keep getting these false springs. Like it's going to be hot, and then all of a sudden it's chilly again. Texas, what do you say about it? Nothing. Just wait 5 minutes, it'll change. I might as well go do a wee bit live, eh?